In the continuous search for greater operational agility and efficiency, pulp and paper producers are entering a new age of digital transformation. Introducing ABB Ability Manufacturing Execution System for Pulp and Paper, the intelligent operational foundation for order-to-invoice optimization. Real-time visibility is provided through an intuitive user interface, distributing data-driven insights across teams for better decision-making and collaboration. Intelligent automation simplifies the production value chain, seamlessly bridging the gap between business systems and the shop floor. And a flexible modular design keeps everything aligned with your business and operations, however you evolve. ABB Ability Manufacturing Execution System for Pulp and Paper. Intelligent optimization for your entire operation.